These will be the best and strangest seeds ever.
This is Omar, our story's hero. Lila, Omar's best friend. Izo, the time creature.
You must ensure every step is precise.
Professor Adam helps Omar understand his role as the seed guardian.
Oh, help.
Mellow Pop, governor of Marshmallow Town.
Woo, how could you do that?
Axie, small AI robot.
找到了。
Aisha, from Kingdom of Giants. Bite, from Code City. Hugh, from Color Crash City. Isa, Queen of Frozen Tomorrow. Malek, from Umberwood Kingdom. Pensy, from Sketch World. Prisma, Queen of Perfect World. Noor, from the Moonless Kingdom. Giga, Garden. Popple, from Bubble Pop World. Ruli, from Cloudroot Valley.
Let's start our adventure.
The time seeds!